What is ES5 and ES6? Well, if you're watching this course, you probably do know that, but just to give you a quick refresher. ES stands for ECMAScript, which kind of is the language in the end. Though of course we say JavaScript all the time, but theoretically ECMAScript is the language and JavaScript is more like a dialect which follows ECMAScript. But of course JavaScript is the most popular language using ECMAScript, and therefore you can kind of think of ES6 just being the next JavaScript version. But what are ES5 and ES6 to begin with? Well, ES5 is the version which currently runs in the browser, and ES6 is the next gen version, so with new features and so on. ES5, as I just mentioned, is supported by all browsers, but for ES6 you will need some polyfills or transpilers, which basically takes your ES6 code and rewrites it in a ES5 styled way, which kind of sounds strange, but it allows you to use ES6 features today and kind of does what you would have to do in the past to do the same in ES5. It does that for you, and so you're able to run ES6 code today, even though browsers don't fully support it yet. This course, of course, will focus on ES6.